we're doing something that is just barely possible. Icon is a construction technologies company working in 3D printing construction. Our mission is to make dignified housing accessible to everyone, everywhere.
So we believe the future of home building is 3D printing. We don't see this as a novel concept. We see this as the way that people will ultimately build houses. This provides us an opportunity to kind of do things at scale faster than have ever been done before.